and welcome to the Tiki Girl Channel. I am going to do a vlog about how to use an eyebrow stencil tool. As you all probably know that I am obsessed with eyebrows. I get questions all the time from my Instagram and friends asking me, how do I achieve perfect shaped brows? I know we're serious about many aspects of our makeup routine, but one that we take seriously is our brow routine. At times, our collection of eyebrow essentials seems a tad bit excessive. Pencils for definition, brow gel for a strong hold, pens that makes us look like we just came from a microblading appointment, and more. So clearly there's a lot of love going around for all of the brow products, but what about the eyebrow tools? So ladies, I found a perfect tool that I know that you will surely love. This easy eyebrow stencil will make your prep time speed up in no time. So here's the first step. First, you open up this buttonhole here and you adjust it to the shape and bend the stencil in order to make it fit to your face. So as you do is like you open up this part right there and then you adjust it based on these holes. You could go from here and then you lock it, or 2, then lock it, or then 3, and then lock it. So the shape of my eyebrows is the first one. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock it to that first one. And the same with this too. I'm going to open it and then close it and then lock it to the shape of my brow. There you go. And another wonderful thing is that this is so adjustable to go ahead to match according to the shape of your face. Okay, so first I'm going to line the stencil over the brow, matching from the head, the arch, and the tail as best as possible. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to line right there. And then next I'm going to take the powder color about 1 or 2 shades lighter than your natural brown and sweep the powder over the stencil with the brush. And once you feel ready to remove the stencil, and voila, that came on really nice. Then you feel like it feels so nice. Look how it is from this eyebrow compared to my other eyebrow. And it seems like it's more definition and gave more like a, more like a pop. I'm gonna try to do the other side of my eyebrow as well. And do the same thing too. I'm gonna place it, the arch and the tail, according to where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna adjust this. And I'm gonna try it as well and put it on my, let's see, there you go. And I'm going ahead and try to do that too. And once you feel ready, remove the stencil and voila! That brow also came out really, really nice. Wow. And if you feel like you need a little bit more definition, go back into your brow with a smaller pencil brush or a darker powder to accentuate the shape you've already drawn. Simply just position the stencil on your eyebrow and gently fill in with gentle strokes using your brow powder and brush. Repeat the same procedure on your other eyebrow as well. What I like about it, it was fast, easy, and super convenient. So whether you're rushing morning for work or prepping up for a date night, you can now save a little bit more of your precious time. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in purchasing this portable, adjustable eyebrow shape stencil tool, please click the links below and don't forget to check out my website at www.thetikigirl.com. Mahalo and happy shopping!